Okay, guys.
Got my Vans on, but they look like sneakers. Got my Vans on, but they look like sneakers. Got my Vans on, but they look like sneakers. Wearing coat whites, but my Vans look cleaner.
So for today, we're going to be doing a glowy summer natural makeup like this. So if you want to see more of how I did this super dewy natural makeup, I'm repeating myself, then just look on. Just continue the video. I don't really use foundation because I feel like it's just like too heavy and I don't really like need it like that much. And this one, I like, so it just like makes you look more, like alive. You look dead in the morning. And I just like use my hands. And you can also use like a blender as well, but I just really, it smells really nice as well. And again, this also makes your face super glowy as well. And then there's another, I use like either this BB cream or like another one which I'll use in like another video. This is the one that I've been using at the moment, and this is the one that I find that is best for this makeup, this like glowy makeup, as it just like makes your face more glowy. There's still some excess there. Okay, then I'm going to be using this concealer by Maybelline. And this one I really like. I mean, it's just like a friend gave it to me because the tone wasn't her tone of color, like it was too light, so she just like gave it to me. And I really like it because it's like super light and it's not like too thick. And as it's a stick, it's super easy to put on, but as you can see, there's like practically nothing left. So if you have like any suggestions of like concealers that are like, that they cover but it still looks natural, that would be great, because I'm looking for when I just, there's so much options now that I never know like what to get. I don't even know like which shade to get or stuff like that. But yeah, if you have like a brand that you think would be good as a concealer, please suggest it in the comments, because this will be done in, I'd give it another month, but yeah, it doesn't have a much longer life. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that. Okay, so that's for the tone, and then I'm going to be using a highlighter and blush. Well, the highlighter actually isn't a highlighter, it's the Fenty lip gloss, and this I really, like, I realized this, I want to say like a month ago. Like, I got the lip gloss and I love it as a lip gloss, but the highlighter is also really nice. So I just go like that, right? Then I'm going to use the Beauty Blender, and then look, super glowy, dewy look, 2-in-1 lip gloss. Guess you didn't know that. So if you're gonna invest in this lip gloss, I would definitely, because it's worth it. You can like use it and it's just, and it smells good as well. So then I'm also gonna be using this, and this is neither, it's like the Clinique Chubby Stick Moisturizing Lip Color Balm. It's really old actually, but I like to use it as a blush, and it's super nice. There's like almost none left either. I really need to restock because this is really bad. Okay. And then I just like to do it like there, so it's kind of like, you know, you've been outside and you took some color on your cheeks, you know? And so I just like right now it's not like that, but it just looks like really dumb. But then I just use the blender and I blend it, and I also like it because since it's like shiny, it's like, you know, since it's kind of like a, what am I trying to say? Like, it's a creamy texture. It's not like other blushes where it's like powdery, so it looks like really fake and not good. Like, it doesn't bring the actual point of a blush. This one's really nice. So yeah, then we're gonna go into the brows. I don't know why I'm super excited like this. But yeah, so what I do first is I'm gonna put, I just use this like oiled mascara. It wasn't really mascara, it was like a night treatment booster for like your eyelashes to grow longer, and I put coconut oil in it, and I just like to do that there, and it makes my eyebrows grow like a little bit, my eyelashes as well. I like to put it on because since like the mascara is gonna be like the last step, at least it like sets in. And I feel like since I'm gonna use like a curler, it makes it make my eyelashes stronger because it doesn't rip out all the eyelashes. So now for the brows, what I'm going to be using is the Ardell, and it's so it's good. Like I used to like my old thing that I had was this, and this honestly I would recommend is by Pixie Natural Brow, and it's really good because it has like a slanted pencil. And then I'm just gonna take this vitamin E face mist because I'm too lazy to like. What I like to do is I put some water, just so it's not like so powdery and it spreads better, you know. Yep. And I'm just gonna. What I do is I just put it a bit on my hand so that I don't get too much on, cause like, yeah. And then I'm just gonna go in, and at the moment I really like my eyebrows to be like super bushy. So I'm just gonna do that. Wow, that was pretty bad. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Like, as you can see, I cannot do both things at the same time. I cannot draw my eyebrows and talk at the same time because then it just messes up. But yeah, you get the gist. There we go. And I just like do this end part and I do like that so it makes it more bushy. Wow. Okay. Then here, just gonna go through that as well. Wow. I dropped it. Cool. It's all good though. Fix that. Okay. There we go. And then I'm just gonna go in with this L'Oreal brow plumper. I'll link all the products down below because, you know, if you want to like find all these stuff that I'm mentioning, I'll link it down. Some of the stuff like I might not find, like for example like the Clinique thingy that I used as a blush, I probably won't find it because it's like really old. Like I want to say 5 years old that I've had that thing. But like I still use it, you know? I mean it's almost done. But yeah, so like for example those type of stuff where it's like super old, I'm not sure if I can like link it, but if it's like L'Oreal, Clinique, all that type of stuff that I recently just bought, then I can link it. Okay, then we're going to be doing, oh yeah, forgot to mention, I'm also going to be using Fenty. I should probably call this like Fenty makeup tutorial, honestly, because I've just like using this gloss in so many different ways that I'm gonna use it on my eyelids to like, you know, so it makes like my eyelids glowy as well. I love doing that. Okay, I'm just gonna dab it. Okay, I'm gonna use this again. Also, I'm not like, I don't know if you probably could tell through like this video, I'm not really like a makeup person. Like I'm like reusing and like using stuff like, you know, that made no sense. And what I'm saying is like I'm not like a makeup specialist. Like I just like wing it, you know. And honestly, it doesn't look too bad. But yeah, this is what I do. Like I normally do like a natural makeup anyways. But I don't know, like I like to, like this is a nice like glowy look. Like this is what I would be wearing like if I'm like going out or if I just want to look nice one day. And so now I'm just gonna go in with the Glow Minerals And so it has these 4 colors, and I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to dab that on here. My nose. My lips. I know this isn't the right brush to use, but I only have 2 makeup brushes, so there we go. Then, let's do mascara and then lips last. That makes sense. So let's go in with these wonderful curlers. I can link these, but I'm not sure I will find these either because I just bought them from Primark. They were literally £1, and they work perfectly well. Well, see, no eyelashes are stuck in here. I honestly, like, if you have like an empty mascara thing that you can use for the coconut oil or castor oil, you know, like any oil is good. Because like with the makeup that you put on, I feel like it definitely helps for sure. So then I'm just gonna be going in with this mascara. So this is by Benefit, and it's They're Real. So I just got this one. I'm really happy with it. Also, I know that I should spend like at least like 5 minutes, you know, on like mascara, like putting it on, but I can't be bothered. Like, you're gonna see, I'm literally gonna do like this a couple more times, and that's all I'm gonna do. This is probably, like, I'm gonna get like eyelash extensions in like a month or so. I can't wait because just like waking up and, you know, it's just like, not having to do mascara or anything like that. Just can't wait. Also, mascara is another one of those things where I can't talk at the same time. Like brows and mascara, I just need to put full concentration. Because mascara, if I fuck it up, then I have to like, you know, it's black. So if you fuck it up, you have to like go in with like the makeup, and you have to like, that's not a word. But like, you know what I mean. Like then you have to like undo your like most of your makeup that you just did. So I'd rather just like concentrate. A couple of seconds of silence, and it should be fine. So that's what I do. And then final step, well, almost final step, before last, chapstick. Because no one wants to put lipstick on and having it all chappy and not sexy, just doesn't look good. So do this. And then I just use this Buxom one. Yeah. Wow. Do you see? This is what I'm telling you. This is not, I think, I literally just got it on my tooth. Like, who does this? Anyways, then I just, okay. And then, of course, I'm gonna pass over with Fenty, obviously, to create that beautiful last glowy step with your lips. I just love how like glowy and dewy I look. I'm like glowing. Here we go. Just gonna pass on with this. Okay. Hope you enjoyed. Hey guys, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, give me suggestions if you want to see more of this type of videos, or what you like, what you don't like, because I'm starting this channel, and so I want to know what you guys like. So yeah, bye.